Hi, my name is Royston. I was previously from St. Andrews Secondary School. To me, English was a really challenging subject because I wasn't really good with the command of the English language, and I was barely scraping like a C6 for most of my examinations.
Yeah, so during his O-level year, so I can see that he's struggling with English. I mean, as mentioned, he's like C5, C6. So I'm glad that my wife mentioned to me about the EduEdge. So we sent him for the pre-class assessment.
So I felt the lessons were very interactive and engaging. We had a lot of class time and group discussion during the lessons. So I felt it's more like a two-way traffic than just a one-way traffic like how my school is lah. So I used to think that English was a really mundane subject and it's all about your foundation and your basics. So if your basics weren't strong, you wouldn't do well in English. However, EduEdge really helped me to improve in my English through formula-based methods, and I think that's very helpful because even though my foundation was really weak, right, I still managed to do well. So when I took my O-level examinations, right, I felt more confident taking the paper because I was able to actually apply the concepts I've learned at EduEdge, and I felt they're really helpful.
I guess, yeah, we have made a right decision at the right time because he's only have like a few months before his actual exam, and yeah, so I'm glad that with the guidance from EduEdge, he managed to get a good results.
Using the structures and formulas I've learned at EduEdge, I managed to score an A2 for my English O levels, and I'm really happy with my result. So thank you, EduEdge.